You are going to love the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.